He been in the league for a while. Last team he was with was Tennessee Titans.
Ojoku.
And with the new news that we finally heard about, Stoutland is still in the building.
He's still in the building. Yo, this man signed a contract, right? 2 years. That's what he joined the team on. $200,000 with $25,000 fully guaranteed.
That's $2 million.
With $25,000 fully guaranteed.
Hey, the man not.
What the hell? How do you do that?
The man's not getting. That's basically saying that you a body on the team.
That's definitely $2 million with $25,000 guaranteed.
Yeah, but that's just saying you're a body on the team, and you got to prove to me if